What are the most common reasons an Amazon PPC campaign fails? Most common reasons is one, becoming emotional. By emotional, I mean either you are fearful that something is not working the way it's supposed to, either you're too happy that something works too well, and then you're not going to keep an eye on why it works well and what caused that, or if it's not working well, what is not causing that campaign to work. Giving you a clear example. So in the situation, if you have a campaign that is not working well and you don't know what is working well, what we're going to do is step back and take out the emotion. Open up the campaign. Let's say it is an auto-match campaign and we just set up a sponsored product automatic targeting campaign, and that is not working well. In this scenario, what I would do and my team is doing is open up the campaign, see if you're using all 4 ad groups. If you're using all the 4 ad groups, look at which ad group goes the highest spend towards, and if that is profitable, that is already going to give you the ding, ding, ding. All right, so if most of my spend goes there and it's profitable or it's not profitable, that would be your quickest and easiest lever to change. So this is why I'm saying that first off, take out the emotion of the campaign. And then once you understand that, it's going to be way easier for you to handle it.